Welcome to Andrew. Last time we put Tyger fender flare on, and now we're putting the brush coat on. After you open the box, double check if you have all your parts. Looks like we have everything. Let's get to work. Start installation at the driver's side front of the vehicle. Remove the driver's side tow hook for one. Time to get these tow hooks off. Now that we got the tow hook off, now let's bring it and go step 2. Select the driver frame bracket. Check the fit between the tow hook and the bracket for re-installation over the bracket. Is that right?
That is. Do these things fit? Can you see through the holes?
Yep.
Perfect. Let's put that thing on.
Some factory tow hooks may not feel the bracket and cannot be reinstalled. Check the fit before bolting tow hook and bracket in place. Reuse the factory tow hook bolts to attach the bracket to the underside of the frame channel, either with or without the tow hook. Do not fully tighten the hardware at this time. You can eat one if you want.
What are your Sour Patches?
Yeah, you can eat one of them.
Well, thank you.
I want to get this fast.
Well, make sure you don't over tighten them.
It says repeat steps 1 through 3. Let's do the passenger side. Unwrap the Tyger and attach the bracket. Turn the lock flasher. This thing's fast. Easy. There we go. We put the brush coat on. We're going to add this light bulb. Use the lens to tighten it down. This thing's heavy on it. My dad's gonna help me with step 5. I'll tell you when it's up. Go up, right, up, right. Now it's time to strap this thing out of the truck. Now this is all hooked up. Now my parents are going to attach the light bulb and then we're done. Tyger Fox are so easy to install, even a kid can do it. If you want to see episode 3, subscribe and like and ring that bell. Locations, you know.